Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog.
Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
I'm gonna watch movie now. I love our videos, just realistic and just chill and yeah.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
590.
Play with me like cats and a string.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are having a great evening. It's Sunday evening and I'm heading out now to a youth forum at church. I think it's the first this has been done in the district of churches, not sure, but it's the first we're actually planning it as a district. So I'm not sure if it was done years ago, but I don't recall, and I've been in the church for basically all my life. But yeah, so I'm heading there now. I'm about to leave out. Promises to be a good evening. There should be about two speakers, you know, just to speak to the youths, and also the youth will be able to voice their opinions, their concerns, stuff that are bothering them as youth in the church, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll take you guys along, so stick around for the rest of the video.
So if I play dead, will you regret? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from
Guys, me bring me dinner. I didn't show you when I was cooking. I didn't do nothing much, to be honest. So yesterday I made lunch for church, rice and peas and liver, to bring to convention. I mentioned that in the previous vlog. So my rice did leave over, so I just hot it up today with fried fish, because never in a mood. It felt kind of weird because I'm not used to. I always cook on Sunday, even though I don't cook every day, but Sunday definitely I always cook. More you open out here because I'm talking on this, so but not start it. But today I just say, I'm not cook here. I'm not started, so I'm going to eat because I'm hungry, man. Hey guys, it's days later and I just resumed the vlog. Like the last time I spoke to you guys, I believe it was Sunday when I went to the youth forum. I didn't get to vlog much from that because the person that was hosting it, I don't think I'm going to go on camera. I was gonna just turn on the camera so you guys can hear what they're saying, because they share some gems. And a lady was giving her testimony, like a story of where she's coming from and stuff that she went through to go to college and stuff like that. But sorry guys, I didn't get to, you know, record anything from that. So yeah, and then Friday I was gonna vlog when I went to the grocery store, but me literally running around. Me and my sister-in-law and her husband we just like within an hour we go buy what we buy and come back home, and it was raining, so me never get to vlog. So I will do my best to take you guys along for this weekend's vlog. Fingers crossed, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, it's another Sunday. It's 1 week later and I'm about to make breakfast. It's around 10:45 a.m. and I'm about to make breakfast. That's something quick. Egg and franks and I have two, literally two dumplings. I feel like I go fry. I haven't ate that in like a good while. I not eat like dumpling where you cook and then fry it. So I literally have two. I go fry. I'm really cook for my sister-in-law, husband, because she not eat rice and then something there. And we never have no yam, so just cook dumpling with him and whatever. Anyways, so I have two dumplings. I go fry. And I think I go fry them as well, because I feel like I not eat that maybe 3 years now or more. I don't remember, because I don't normally fry food when I cook already. Normally I eat it, boil it and eat it, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now with the egg and the franks and the sausage and the bread. So yeah, stay tuned. Tomorrow I should be going on the road, so I will, if I go, I will take you guys along, and hopefully I can finish the vlog and edit it by Tuesday and upload it. So yeah guys, stay tuned. But how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a great day. I know you guys won't see this on a Sunday, so whenever you watch this video, I hope you guys are having a great day. And yeah, stay tuned. Guys, I have no paper towel. My paper towel, me just use the last side. So, I don't have none because I had, a little guest over. As Mr. Miss salad there or whatever. So, I use it up. If I had none, I would have bought another one on Sunday. On Friday. But, never buy none, so. I have to, maybe I buy it tomorrow when I go on. If I go on the town, I buy it tomorrow. That looks good, right? Yeah. Ooh. Guys, me try it out the dumpling and the franks already. When it free when the egg are fried. sweet, man. Alright guys, so finally I go have breakfast. What time is it? It's after 11. I'm gonna start cooking, you know. I cook rice and peas and fish. Yeah guys, I mostly cook fish because my husband eats certain meat. He only eat fish, chicken foot from the chicken. He doesn't eat the rest of the chicken anymore. Other part of the chicken, just the chicken foot. Him eats, I think we may turn on, hold on. Him eat fish, beef, cow foot, mutton, and he eat any type of fish either. So most days, especially nowadays, I only cook fish, especially on a Sunday. Now we can cook chicken foot or something. If you want something quick, we can do like tin stuff. Well, not tin stuff because you only tin mackerel, sardine, and something there. And you know, like corned beef. So yeah. So I'm gonna watch one of my new favorite YouTubers. Not really new, but I followed them watch her. Money Kennedy. So yeah, meanwhile I eat. But I've not exercised for 1 week plus now. You know, I'm telling you some my workout or whatever, I don't do it every day. I haven't been consistent, and I told the guys that in the previous vlogs ago or whatever. And I'm not on a strict diet either. Yeah, I should be, but I'm not. I don't want to feel pressured, you understand? And everything takes time. I don't want to just jump and say, oh, I have to eat this, to eat that. So I'm time I eat my bread and my egg. I don't eat egg as much anymore, especially if it's fried. I don't eat certain things like that, but I don't want to feel pressured. So gradually I'm getting into it. I just not reached there yet. Yeah. And I want this to be a lifestyle. I don't want it to be a one-time thing. So I don't want just, oh, may I stop everything, bro? No. I want it to be a continuous thing. So I take my time. So I feel like I'm not eating and bread. I pressure myself. Maybe think I say, oh, I'm not supposed to eat certain things. But I know I'm pressure myself and then I start feel depressed and just give up. You understand? Yeah. It's a process. So when you see me eat this, just know that I'm not on a strict diet. I'm not really gain weight either, to be honest. I mean, lose a couple pounds with them, I'm not really gain it. Like, I gain 2 pounds today, by later, I drop it off for tomorrow or whatever. So I've been maintaining it. As you guys can see, I eat late most time, so I guess that helps as well. Anyways guys, I'm gonna watch Monique. Let me show you her. So this is her. So this is Monique, guys. Yeah, see Maya there, so I love watch Maya videos. So I'm gonna go watch Monique now. I love her videos, just realistic and just chill, and you know, yeah. I try to be consistent like her, cause trust me, she is consistent. So this time I say, oh, me nah, whatever, and we just she post or whatever like that. Yeah. Hey guys, it's Monday and I'm heading out now to go on the road. I need to go to the bank quickly and pick up 1 and 2 stuff in the supermarket that I ran out of, or I'm about to run out of. It's after 2. Hopefully the bank closes at 3, because if it closes at 2 then that means I won't be able to catch it because it's after 2, and as usual I'm running late. But just updating you all, hoping to close out the vlog today. Well, I'll definitely close it out today and start editing it. I should have started already, but So you go. So yeah, come along on the road with me. I'll see how much I can vlog. Okay. And how long did you say it would take? Okay. Alright guys, so I left the bank. I went to the internet company because I went to get a form to either transfer the internet because we should be moving. So we are going to either transfer the internet to the box to that new place or request a completely new installation. So that's what I went to do. So stick around for the rest of the vlog. So yeah, I got the form. So I'm gonna fill it out, pay $3,000 if we're gonna transfer. If not, I fill out the other form and then pay $7,500 to reinstall it at the new location. So yeah, once we move, then you guys of course will see that as well. Just right on then in here. Wow, them a biggie one. Guys, have you ever bought this before? I never bought it before, but may I look for I think a palette name, but I not see it. And a long time I not buy the retail disinfectant. It's not too strong. I think I gotta take this. It not smell too bad. Look at that though. Like the interesting. Watch it. This versus this. Oh, not much different. The things I look enough for. I go take this. Let me know if you guys have ever used this or seen it before. It's lantern. I'll take this because it's not too strong. My husband not like it too strong because it's affecting sinus. Yeah, it's not too strong. I'll take this. No, but that's all. So literally I came into this supermarket for most of the last go and this paper towel, as I mentioned previously, paper towel finish. And the only one I'm going to take down the bottom at the market to just go trade them here in a supermarket. Yeah. $5.90. Wait there. How much is this? $3.20 I said there. Let me think it's cheaper. I hope it's good enough. Guys, I'm not really pleased with the price, but I'm going to just take it because I can't bother but I'm not really pleased with the price at all. Guys, I'm back home. I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I got. It's just me just again a mini haul, even though the kind of see already. But this wasn't the reason why I went on the town. I went to just go to the bank. That was the main reason, and to check out how to transfer the internet. But me just grab these because I needed them. So I grabbed Alaska because it's almost finished, and I bought it. This is Monday, and I bought a big Alaska on Friday. It's almost finished. Usually it lasts for basically the week, but yeah. I bought half dozen eggs because none was in the supermarket. I bought this at the roadside for $200. Just a small bread. May have maybe a few sizes leave off the big one. I think it's the same brand, but I just bought a small one for $2.70 because again I didn't go to shop. The main reason why I went into the supermarket was for the paper towel and the Lasco. So I got a paper towel because it's finished. I got 3 onions in the supermarket for about $151. On the roadside where I bought the garlic was for around $200 for I think 3 smaller ones and these. And I got this. So, and just like that, I spent, excluding, so the only thing I didn't buy, so it's $2.70 for the bread. Everything else came up to $1,600 and something, I think. So the onion, the Lasco, the disinfectant, and the paper towel. You see why I'm gonna like go outside? You see why I'm gonna like go outside, guys? Cause as you go outside you spend, but yeah. Thank God I'm back home. Didn't take long. I went there, I left home. I reached Christiana like 2-3 and it's around 4:01 a.m. Then about a.m. p.m. and I reach back home. I'm starving because I only drink like tea or something from morning. So I need to go eat something now. I'm gonna hot up Sunday, Monday. But this is where the vlog will end. I'm not sure what the vlog I really turn up, but when I start editing me see. But obviously I still gotta edit it and upload it anyway. I need to quickly edit it and upload. Not quickly because you know editing takes time, but I need to get it out on my phone now. So I'm gonna edit it and hopefully upload it by tomorrow. But hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend about my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.